I'm John Best. I'm a town planner by background. Most of my working life has been in the dense urban parts of London, and then for a decade or so I worked in the leafier, greener Newtown communities. My passion is making places work well and making places successful. For 5 years I was Chief Executive of the local authority in Milton Keynes, the fastest growing place in the UK. And that's given me a good insight into what makes places work well, how they're best managed, how they develop, what their trajectory is as they get bigger. And it enables me now to sit down with developers or architects or city planners or leading politicians and really help them focus on what will make a difference to their city. Working on the board of Virtual Viewing helps me to develop some really potent tools for anyone making or managing communities or promoting development, construction and urban design, all at the cutting edge of 21st century technology. We are a technology company, certainly, but we're also a solutions company, selecting and using technology only where it really helps what the client wants. We started from a technology base that opens up the virtual world for all sorts of applications. And we're driving out from that technology base into the complex real world of our customers. Take 3D modelling as an example. We've modelled products for many years, the sort of items that find their way into virtual superstores for retail research. And we've modelled interiors of buildings for many years, typically for residential property sales, and that's actually where the company got its name. We've taken those two well-tried virtual technologies, and we're now making use of models on a massive scale. The spaces around buildings, whole neighbourhoods, an entire town centre, a city and its sub-region, all capable of being modelled to high levels of accuracy and photorealism. We recently completed a very well-received model of Bratislava, containing 30,000 buildings, including a faithful recreation of its extensive historic core to be the centrepiece of their international marketing drive. This evolution hasn't just happened, it's been the result of intelligent conversations with clients and potential clients. We bring to the table a very broad range of skills and experience, particularly around place. So that's urban design, city management and leadership, branding and marketing, service design and delivery, environment and sustainability, property development and construction. All of that in addition to our core grasp of business and technology. We recently collaborated with the London Borough of Redbridge to devise and implement a stunning combination of all these, which we're using to reposition their main town centre, Ilford. The key to our growth is that with each conversation we have, we discover another use for our modelling and another enthusiastic user. We tailor our contributions to the business realities of our client, and we configure the technology to what will work for them. All the models we produce become the property of the client. All the technology we use is industry standard, interoperable with all other players. And part of our offer is to build the skills of the client to use and develop the models themselves. We can bring in our own training capacity if that's needed. So, in place modelling, as in the other activity we do, we're a lot more than a technology company. We sit alongside our client as advisor, as problem solver, as technologist and as explorer. The future's virtual.